Namaste students, welcome to your value education class. Today we will be moving to the next lesson. Lesson 2, rudeness never pays. As we all know children, kindness pays but rudeness never. In this society children, we all should live with love and care if we want to live in society peacefully. But sometimes we talk very rudely to many people. We should love and care for those people who care for us. We should take care of those people like he is your younger brother, and we should laugh and play like normal people. Rudeness never pays, but kindness and compassion always pay off. If we are rude to others, then we are picking haters for yourself. If we are kind to someone, then we are gathering the number of blessings as a reward for showing kindness and honesty. Many people act rudely just to entertain us, which is a very horrible thing. No one has a right to play with anyone's emotion, as it is a curse by the other person. And those who show kindness increase their social gatherings and they interact with the intellectual people and they get blessings from these people. Kindness is a reward you are giving to yourself. Be a kind and always there for help in any situation. So, whenever you are rude to someone, always remember that kindness always pay off, but rudeness never pays. Rudeness will destroy your life. Now, let us study. Now, let us read the story about the rudeness never pays. Man is a social animal. As I told you, we all live in a society. We had to live in a society. There are certain rules which has to be followed for the behavior, and we had to cultivate a particular pattern behavior. So we had to be gentle and kind. We had to be polite, and we had to be a person of good manners. Wherever we are, we need to be polite, children. If you want something, we should ask for it very politely. When we say please, few people can refuse you. When we say thank you, others naturally feel happy. If we think we should refuse, say I am sorry instead of a crude no. A person who is polite will make many friends. He will be liked and admired. There is something in him that attracts others. People feel comfortable in his presence. They do not hesitate to ask for his help. It is not so with a person who is rude and impolite. His behavior turns others into enemies. Instead of getting help, he may end up of getting harm for them. Now let us read a story about a person. Uh, Indrajit's father worked as a senior executive in a multinational company. When the company was set up for the first time, in the setup its first office in the city, the choice of heading the new until the fell on Indrajit's father. The sudden transfer of his father forced him to make new arrangements, including the admission of Indrajit to a new school in the city. With the help of the friend, he could finally get his son admitted in a good school. It was Indrajit's first day in his school. From the principal's office, an attendant accompanied him in the classroom. The attendant called the teacher out and conveyed the principal's message. The teacher welcomed Indrajit in and introduced him to the class, but no one spoke to him. It was a cold welcome. The class teacher guided him to a vacant seat in the middle row. He occupied his seat and looked around. All the eyes were on him, studying him to know what kind of person he was. There was no smile on their faces. There was no welcome in their eyes. The teacher called the class to attention, saying, "You can talk to the new student after the class." Then he continued to teach. When the class was over, Indrajit said hello to the boy sitting next. Slowly, a few moved closer to him and started to inquire about him. In a few minutes, they were talking as if they had known Indrajit for a long time. In a short time, Indrajit made friends with everyone in the classroom. He was very polite to them. He thanked them whenever they helped. He helped whenever anyone was in need. He gave them his time. He respected them. The teacher also began to take a note on Indrajit. They openly appreciated him, but he always remained simple, humble, polite, and loving to everyone who was around him. Even the mischievous boys in the class began to emulate him. We make friends or enemies first by the way we speak and behave, children. Even a person who is rude can be won over if we are gentle and polite with him. Speak to the people gently. If you are polite to your parents, teachers, and friends, they will also be polite. When everyone is polite, there will be a lot of happiness around. You will also be a happy person. So we should always remember, be gentle and polite to others. In return, they will be polite to you. It will make you a happy person. So what do we learn from this story, children? What is the moral here? So the moral is rudeness will never pays, but kindness and compassion always does. This is a very true saying after we read the story, isn't it, children? If you are rude, then you are just gathering a pack of haters for yourself, nothing else. If you are being kind, then you are gathering the admirers and also getting blessings as a reward of showing kindness, isn't it, children? So many times there are people who do not intend to be rude but end up being rude due to the tension on something. Isn't it? It happens in our life. We come across such people. So, in those cases, they cannot be particularly blamed, but yet one should have control on their emotion. What's the reward of being rude? A question arises. The only thing you get it is a curse by the other person. Some people act rudely just for entertainment, which is very wrong thing to do, isn't it? So, one should never play with others' emotions. On the other hand, those who show kindness, extend their social circle and get blessings from other persons. Good people who have had seen their kindness are always there to help them in the situations when they are struck. So, before you are rude to anyone, remember, children, goodness is always rewarded, but rudeness never pays. So, with this, we finish up with the chapter Rudeness Never Pays. So here is a quote: rudeness never respond to rudeness. When people are rude to you, they reveal who they are and not who you are. Don't take it personally. So what you had to do? You had to be silent. With this, we finish up with the lesson. Thank you, children.